Alright, mga kabibes. So, one flat. So, we're doing it. Vulcanizing. Vulcanizing. So, this is only the patch that we're using.
Wait, whose hair is this?
And, yeah, cleaning. Yeah. Cleaning his bike because his bike is punctured.
This is deep clean.
Deep. Alright. We'll do this. Alright, we'll do the test if it is working. So put it down. If it's working. So no bubbles. Seems okay. Alright, it's working. Yeah!
Can you remove this plastic?
It's okay, leave it like that. Okay, let's put it. Oops. Okay, let's put the last one. Put inside. Yeah! And now,
Does it matter what side it's on?
yeah, I think so. But the thing, we should be putting that one. The first one is like this. Hold it over there. This is mainly this. Where's the thing? Put this one first. Okay. You just put it.
It's good device.
That's why you need this tool.
This is too painful.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, it's easy now.
That's it. Haha.
Oh, that is it? Oh, this side?
Yes, done.
Should it not be out inside or should it be... Is that the correct one? So you just have to inflate now?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, where's your thing? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Put it on. Good. Okay.
Is that correct?
Okay. Good.
Why is it doing
The
that?
pressure. Okay,
Mm.
because of the pressure. Do the pressure properly.
What's the pressure you need to put?
Alright, that's it. We did it. We did it. Okay.
Nice firm.
Okay, so it's fixed, yeah? Yes. She'll be waiting in Kingston Town. I know she'll be waiting in Kingston